for electroplating a metal article with another metal, the question is which electrolyte should we use, where we take the metal that we want to coat or electroplate, or the metal by which we make the electroplating, where should we take that metal. So these are the questions regarding the electroplating of metals, electroplating on metal surface by other metal, which is called electroplating. So electroplating is the process where by the electricity, by passing electricity, a thin layer, a thin coating is formed of one metal like gold, silver, nickel over the other metal surface, and this process is called electroplating. So in this video lecture we discuss about the electroplating and taking an example, that electroplating of a brass article with the silver metal. With silver metal we electroplate the brass article, and what are the electrolytes required for this process, the details of cathode anode reactions, and means the dissociation of the electrolyte, how the electrolyte is prepared for this reaction, for this electroplating process. We discuss all about these things in this video lecture. So before starting this video lecture, I would like to remind you that if you are watching this video lecture first time from this channel, then subscribe this channel and press the bell button to get this type of new video notification instantly. So hello everybody, I am Atanu Betal and you are watching SN Education and Skill. We start our discussions regarding the topic. Our topic right now is for electroplating and a brass article. This is a electroplating a brass article with silver. Article is taken in cathode and silver plate is taken as anode, and sodium argentocyanide electrolyte is required. So I think you understand that what we are trying to discuss, and this video is going to be very interesting for you and very important for you. So watch this video lecture till the end to find the answer of each questions and to understand the full topic clearly. So at first we talk about that what do we mean by electroplating. We already discussed that electroplating is the process of depositing one metal like gold, silver, platinum over the other metal surface by the electrolysis process. By electrolysis process, that is called electroplating. Okay, and electroplating is for which purposes electroplating is done? Electroplating is done for metals, for any metals, in order to get the decoration. The first purpose is the decoration. For the decoration purpose we electroplate the metal. Another purpose is to prevent the metal from rusting or corrosion, we electroplate one metal by other metal. These are the main two reasons for electroplating one metal article with another metal. Okay, so in this case of electroplating of brass article, right now in this video lecture we discuss about the electroplating of the brass article. This one is the brass article, this is a brass spoon, and this one is anode, and this anode is made up of silver. This anode is made up of silver. This anode is made up of silver, and cathode is the spoon the brass spoon is taken in the cathode. As a cathode, brass spoon is taken, and as an anode, the silver is taken. Okay, so for always electroplating the metal, need to erase it at first because you can understand it better. Okay, right now. So this one is anode. Anode is made up of silver block. This one is silver block. A silver block is taken in the anode, and in the cathode a spoon, a brass spoon is taken in the cathode. Okay, and here the electrolyte aqueous solution of sodium argentocyanide, means NaAgCN2, is taken in this vessel. Okay, in this electrolytic vessel, this solution is the solution, aqueous solution of sodium argentocyanide, and this one silver block. This one is article to be electroplate, means here the article is a brass article. A brass article is taken as cathode, and it is an ammeter, switch and battery. By using, this is the positive terminal of the battery, this is the negative terminal of the battery, and in this way the electroplating of the brass article is performed. So before starting the details about the cathode anode reactions, I would like to say that for perfect deposition of silver, in this brass spoon, what we have to do at first? At first we have to take one brass spoon. We have to take one brass spoon and we have to clean it perfectly. We have to clean it by dipping it in hot concentrated caustic soda solution, and after that we have to wash it with the hydrochloric acid and dilute hydrochloric acid, and after that we have to wash it with distilled water. We have to wash this spoon, and after several times washing by distilled water, we have to dry this spoon and made this spoon as cathode. Means we take this spoon as the cathode and dip in the solution bath to take it as a cathode. Okay, so at first we have to clean this spoon perfectly. After that, this type of construction is formed, means battery, ammeter, cathode, anode. This type of total construction is performed or arranged, total constructions. After that, what do we can see? Right now we see that article to be electroplated, means the brass article is taken as cathode, and article by which the electroplating is done is taken as anode, because anode is the oxidizing. Anode means oxidation. Oxidation occur as anode, and in cathode the reduction is occurring. Reduction is occurring at cathode, and anode means oxidation occurring. Okay, so right now we have to discuss about the electrolyte that we use. This one is just a minute. The NaAgCN2, this one is the electrolyte sodium argentocyanide, or you can take potassium argentocyanide also. In this case, potassium argentocyanide, you can use this one, you can use this one, but AgNO3 solution cannot be taken. Okay, only sodium and potassium argentocyanide, sodium and potassium argentocyanide is taken. Silver nitrate solution cannot be taken because here a problem occurs. We discuss about it after discussing few points regarding this topic. So in case of using this sodium argentocyanide and potassium argentocyanide, this one, how this solution is prepared, sodium argentocyanide, we have to take the silver nitrate solution and with it sodium cyanide solution. What happens? The precipitate is formed, silver cyanide plus NaNO3. Okay, to prepare this sodium and potassium argentocyanide, what we have to do, at first we have to mix the sodium cyanide and silver nitrate solution to form the silver cyanide and precipitate of silver cyanide and NaNO3. Okay, and when we give the excess silver nitrate and NaNO3, that time what happens? Here we are finding that NaNO3 plus NaCN, sodium cyanide, to silver cyanide and silver cyanide and NaNO3. Okay, this silver cyanide precipitated, silver cyanide and NaCN. This one is formed NaAgCN whole 2. This one is formed. Silver cyanide, when again reacts with sodium cyanide, it forms the sodium argentocyanide. This one is called sodium argentocyanide. So you can understand how the sodium argentocyanide is prepared. Sodium argentocyanide is prepared by silver nitrate solution and sodium cyanide solution. A precipitate of silver cyanide is formed, and just dissolving sodium nitrate, just dissolving the silver cyanide precipitate with sodium cyanide solution, a substance formed sodium argentocyanide. This one is used as electrolyte. Okay, so after that we have to discuss about the dissociation of the electrolyte. This sodium argentocyanide is dissociated as Na plus Ag plus Cn minus 2. This is the dissociation of the sodium argentocyanide electrolyte, sodium plus Ag plus and 2 Cn minus. This is the dissociation of sodium argentocyanide in aqueous solution, and in aqueous solution water is dissociated as H plus and OH minus. Okay, so this is the dissociation of water, this is the dissociation of sodium argentocyanide solution. These two are taken here, water and sodium argentocyanide are taken. So right now we discuss about the cathode reaction and anode reaction. What type of reaction is occurring in cathode and anode? Okay, so look, in the cathode oxidation occur, means at anode oxidation occur, at cathode reduction occur. At cathode what happens? At first we talk about at anode. At anode what do we take? We take a silver block. So silver block in anode oxidation occur, so silver solid is silver solid is rejecting by losing one electron is forming silver plus ion, means in this aqueous solution silver plus ion is formed by losing the silver atom, by losing one electron from the silver atom from the silver block. The silver block supplies the silver plus ion in this electrolytic solution, and this is the reaction about at anode. At anode, silver plus is formed, means oxidation occur at anode, and at cathode this silver plus ion that is present in the aqueous solution of sodium argentocyanide. The silver plus aqueous is, by receiving one electron, it becomes silver solid. So in the cathode the silver plus ion, by receiving one electron as a silver metal atom, this silver deposit in the brass spoon. So deposition of silver occur in this brass spoon, which is made as cathode. So reduction is occurring here, gain of electron occur, so that is called reduction. In the cathode, reduction is occurring, silver metal is deposited at the cathode electrode. So cathode electrode is becoming thicker and anode electrode is becoming thinner by the loss of the silver atom from this silver block, okay, as silver plus ion, because in anode oxidation is occurred, and as oxidation is occurring at anode, the silver block is becoming thinner, and this block means article is becoming thicker, okay. So in this way the silver metal is deposited in the given article, okay. Our desired article means here the brass article. On the brass article the silver metal is deposited and a film layer is formed above the article, okay. So this is about cathode anode reaction. This one is cathode reaction, this one is anode reaction. You can see at anode reaction and at cathode reaction. So now the question is that what would be the thickness of the coating, but thickness of the electroplating depends on the duration of current flow, okay. Duration of current flow means the thickness of coating. Thickness of coating depends on the duration of current flow through this system, okay. By this system, how much time or how much duration of electricity pass is equal to the thickness of coating formed on the desired article, okay. Another important point, that can we use the silver nitrate solution in the place of sodium argentocyanide solution, means this one, can we use silver nitrate solution? No, we cannot use silver nitrate solution, because in that time a very fast coating is formed on the article, and as a result uneven or ununiform coating is formed on the article. So for this reason we cannot use the silver nitrate solution as an electrolyte in this purpose. Another important thing is, after finishing the electroplating, process, we have to take out this article or spoon take out from this bath, and after that we have to wash it with the water several times and dry it and then polish. So in this way we can make this article electroplated article. So we can make electroplating by this process. Okay, whatever. So this is the total process of electroplating of an of a brass article with the silver metal. So I think you understand this topic, that how to electroplate a brass article with silver metal. And if you have any question, any doubt, then you can write in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe this channel, and if you find that this channel will help your friend or other anyone, then you can recommend this channel to the other. And thank you for watching this discussion.